Hello, this is Jessica from Pindrop shop, and this is a knitting tutorial for how to perform the tuck stitch row in my Winter Cottage pattern. So when you have gotten to the point where you need to do the tuck row, we're going to slip the first stitch. Then we're going to look here. We have the loop that's on the needle, and then we have a knit stitch right below it, and then the one right below that. Okay, so the one right below that is going to have a right side to the V and a left side. So we are going to use our right hand needle to pick up that right side of the V and lift it up onto the left needle. Then you're going to knit those two together. This is what makes it tuck, and then you pull it nice and snug. Okay, so then to do the next one, we have the loop that's on the needle, and then we have this V right below it, and then we go to the one right below that. And we're going to go to the right leg of the V, pick that up with the right hand needle, lift it up onto the left hand needle, and then we're going to knit two together. So what we're doing here is bringing that lower row up to meet the row that's on our needle. Then we knit the two together so it creates a fold in the fabric. And we're just going to do that all the way across. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in making the Winter Cottage pattern, you can download the free pattern on my website, shoppindrop.com.